All right. Zeus v0.7.5. This was a minor update from Zeus. They've reduced the size of the Android binary release, which is always good to see, and also a whole bunch of UX UI improvements and bug fixes. They've been iterating quite a lot over the last few months, and the app has definitely come a long way. So big shout out to Evan and the whole team behind Zeus. So I absolutely love this one.
Did you see the Zeus team teasing olympusln.com?
No.
So very, very, very low on details right now. If you go to olympusln.com, it's just a landing page. It says the future of payments is coming. Olympus makes using Bitcoin and Lightning easier than ever, allowing you to focus on what really matters. So I think this is them stepping into the LSP game. So right now, Zeus is like, if you don't have your own Bitcoin node, then you can't use Zeus. Like, it's a kind of remote control way to control and spend from your Lightning node, wherever that's hosted, be it at home on a Pi, computer, VPS, whatever. So I think this is them stepping into the LSP game where they're going to open it up to be able to use Zeus so that you don't need to have your own Lightning node. So judging by the developments that they've made to Zeus, the app, in the last sort of 6 months and the way that that's improved, I'm very, very excited for this one to see that if they can kind of unlock that goal of using Lightning with as little trust as possible without having to run your own node, which is a massive fucking headache for most people, myself included. So excited for that one. Very low on details, but they did put a tweet out, which I'm just looking for, which did share a little bit more. But Twitter's logged me out, so fuck Twitter. I won't be able to get it. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, it'd be great to see some innovation there. I mean, obviously, there have been quite a few developments over the past few years with the different LSP designs and trade-offs and so on. But this would be absolutely fantastic if you could have some more optionality. I mean, obviously, even if they just provide the same service as everyone else, it would be great. But if they bring some innovation to maybe have some more control over your funds while still using their liquidity and so on. They've been from the simple Bitcoin wallet. There've been different models proposed there as well. So something in that nature that would be pretty nice. But as we know them, they'll probably have something up their sleeve. So that'd be great.
Yeah, it's going to be something loosely like Simple Bitcoin Wallet or Phoenix or Breeze, that type of approach where there might be a lightweight node on your phone, or it might be the kind of Greenlight model where there's a node in the cloud, but the keys are on your phone, all designed around kind of giving you, I guess, self-custody, but taking away the heavy lifting for you. Clearly, there's going to be some fees involved. I'm sure this is going to be a revenue stream for them, which is good to see. Previously, they've had no revenue stream whatsoever. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that they're going to do a great job about this one. And you can join the waitlist now by heading to olympusln.com to check it out. I mean, I haven't got access to it yet, but hopefully by this time next month, I'll be able to give them a bit more information as to how it works and the features that are offered there.